Isaiah cuts open a cardboard cube along some of its edges to form a flat shape, called a net, which has an area of 18 square centimeters. What was the volume of the cube? In cubic centimeters? You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Here is the key idea. When you unfold a cube into a net, you are not adding or removing any cardboard, so the total area stays the same. That means the cube's surface area equals the net's area, 18 square centimeters. A cube has 6 identical square faces. If each side has length s, then the surface area is 6 times s squared. So 6 times s squared equals 18. Dividing both sides by 6, s squared equals 3, which means s is the square root of 3. The volume of a cube is s cubed. That is the square root of 3 cubed, which equals 3 times the square root of 3 cubic centimeters. So the volume of the cube is 3 times the square root of 3 cubic centimeters.